What's up, everybody? Wait. Wow. Let me. What? Yes, I'm here. Back again to Minecraft Edition. So we're gonna play like Minecraft. Oh hell, we're gonna make I lost my Minecraft part 2 and part 1. And so I'm gonna make some new survival new world. Okay, I can start with 12 minutes. Okay. So what did I? So hands. Did you have Mobile Legends? Follow me. Name Bunay99. Oh, my account is Bunay99. Bunay. And again, and again, and again. Back again. Aray! Wait for me, please. Okay, I'm back. My name is Shadowman. Come on. Okay. Let me start my Minecraft world. Okay, let's do this. My Minecraft world is this. So we're gonna start it. This is that way. Yes, it's almost 1 p.m. Ew. Wait. Sorry. Okay. Aray! Sakit. 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 Sobra. Aray! Use plan to members to pearl only. Okay? This is my so this is my oh, okay. So let me break this. I'm breaking out! Still hurts. Welcome. This is my base, other base, and I'm gonna have 2 base. Oh no. What did I miss? I think Oh, 3 bases. And I need a 2 bed. Just gonna make 2 beds. No, 3 beds. Yes. Okay, that's it. That's, and this is the other base. So I'm gonna make a door. Can I have a door? Wait. No, I don't have a door. So let's make, oh, like this. I made 2 flint and steel because I'm out of inventory, and I put my pero magkitagalog nga ako. So kumukuha na po ako ng puno. Ito na po. Haha. Siyane. Me. Do you know the way? Kaya niyo ba si James Robin? Dami niya subscribers. Pati si PewDiePie. Grabe. Dami subscribers. Pero ako, wala pa ako subscribers. Pero sa isa kong account, for subscribers. Mga kapatid ko lang na-subscribe. So, pupunta na po tayo dito. Hindi na po. Doon po yung base natin. Dito po yan. Okay, that's it. Di po dito po ilagay natin yung mobizin. So, malapit muna tayo matapos. Kakarate po ako ng door. Yan po. Tapos, ilalagay ko na po dito. Yan. Tapos na po. Kaya, make sure to subscribe. Pero, kailangan nyo subscribe para help me reach. Magkakadala. Pero, kailangan nyo po akong kapog-pog. Ito po yung other bases ko. Other bases ko po. Other bases. Ito po yun. Titignan ko lang po. Tulog na lang mo po ako. Tulog mo muna po ako. Gusto po ako matulog. Dami kong items. Ito mo, nakuha ka pa to sa baba. Dito po sa baba yan. Kaya, pwede po ko ata pumunta doon. Ay, wag na lang po. Hanggang 12 lang po lang tayo kasi dito. Kaya, gagawa lang ako. Dito. Uy, may ship. Uy, may ship. Ha! Huli kita. Ha! Patay ka ano. Ha! Sino po may ship? May ship po. May ship po. So, bakit nag-spawn yung mga zombie? May ship. Guys, parang nawala na ako So, punta na ulit ako. Uy, wala na pala. Kumakain na po ako, ha? Ito ka eh. Patayin ko nga to. So, dito na po tayo. Ano po ginawa dito? Baka nag-spawn po yung creeper dyan. Sumamag po nagbisa. Kasi may kaaway po siyang creeper na bulog. Pero si bilog. Bostog. Okay. Matatapos na po yung ating pinanood. Kaya, i-subscribe na po. Kaya, goodbye guys! So, people, good boy.